Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting the essentials in place so the automatic handoff works. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is updated and already connected to the new Wi-Fi network. Homepod copies that network info during setup, and 4 GHz vs 5 GHz can affect range. Plug the Homepod in and wait for the pulsing white light. Once you see it, unlock your iPhone and open the Home app. When prompted, tap Start to let the devices exchange settings securely. Once the Home app detects the HomePod, it will ask to transfer settings. This is where most configuration happens. Choose the home and room to organize the device, then allow it to copy Apple ID, Wi-Fi, Siri language, and personal requests. These settings streamline voice control and access. If the auto transfer fails, the app will prompt for your Wi-Fi password or a two-factor authentication code. Enter those when requested, and keep both devices within close range until the setup progress bar finishes. Finish by confirming the HomePod plays a chime and shows as ready in the Home app. This verifies Wi-Fi and Apple ID synced correctly. Test Siri and an AirPlay stream to ensure audio and commands work. Make sure your iPhone remains on the same network. If you encounter problems, reboot the router and HomePod first. Then, if necessary, reset the HomePod and run setup again. One key troubleshooting tip: check the Home app's device details for.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.